Ready to take your sales game to the next level? Meet the integration that brings your calling and CRM management into one unified space. With KrispCall and OnePageCRM combined, managing calls and contacts has never been easier. Whether you're dialing prospects or tracking leads, this integration helps you stay ahead of the competition. Fast, efficient, and all in one place. First, let's get you set up. In just a few clicks, you can connect KrispCall with OnePageCRM. Head over to Settings, then Integration. Search for OnePageCRM and hit Connect. Add your user ID and API key, and that's it. Your CRM and phone systems are now seamlessly linked. Easy, right? Now your contact management and call are fully synced, ready to boost your productivity. Before making calls, don't forget one crucial step: installing the KrispCall dialer extension. It's a quick setup, and once installed, you're ready for smooth click-to-call actions right from your CRM. With the extension installed, just click on any contact's number within OnePageCRM, and KrispCall's dialer auto-populates. One click, and you're instantly connected. No dialing, no delays, just seamless calling. During your call, you can easily jot down important notes directly within KrispCall. Once the call ends, those notes, along with the call duration and recording, are automatically synced to the contact's profile in OnePageCRM. This ensures that every interaction is logged for easy follow-up. Every call, whether outgoing or incoming, is logged and tracked. You can easily access recordings, voicemails, and your full call history, all in one place, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Need to manage large lists of contacts? KrispCall makes it simple. Download the CSV template, fill in your contact details, and upload it back into KrispCall. Instantly, your contact list syncs with OnePageCRM, saving you hours of manual data entry. And when calls come in, KrispCall ensures you're always prepared. The integration pulls up contact details from OnePageCRM automatically, so you'll always know who's calling and have all the information you need to close the deal. Your sales team deserves tools that work as hard as they do. With KrispCall and OnePageCRM, you'll streamline workflows, stay organized, and never miss a beat. Ready to supercharge your sales process? Integrate today and experience the power of seamless calling and contact management. Contact our chat support for more information